I got asked a question today by one of my colleagues on how to send a compressed file to another colleague, but how to add a password to that compressed file, because those files or that compressed files contained files within it which were of a sensitive nature, which were confidential. So there's no unauthorized access to them. And I thought about this for a bit because there's no default option in Windows, either Windows 10 or 11, allowing you to add a password to a zipped file, unless you use SharePoint and send them the specific link and allowing the permissions to them, or Google Drive or any other Dropbox or something like that. So I really got thinking and I thought, actually there is a way to do this, but you'll need to download something to allow you to do this. And what I have been using for years is something called WinRAR. There is also WinZip, which is another common one, but WinRAR is free to use, and I use this all the time actually. It's a powerful archive extractor tool allowing you to compress multiple files, especially if you're running out of space on your hard drive and you really want to compress those files and create that zip file or that RAR file. It's a really good tool. So what you do is do a search on Google for WinRAR. It's free to use, and then the first link should be the link that you need to use, and then you download WinRAR. I've already got it installed on my device, so I'm not going to download it, but download it, install it to the storage space you've got on your device, absolutely fine. And then what you need to do is open up WinRAR. So bottom left hand corner, I'm going to do a search for WinRAR, and here is WinRAR here. I'm going to click on WinRAR and it will open this up here. It will come up with this pop-up box, but you just ignore the pop-up box. Just click on close. And then what you do is find where the files that you want compressing, and you want to add the password to that compressed file. So you click on this up arrow here and you find where these folders are, the folders here. And then here, these are the two files I want to add to my compressed folder, my compressed file. So I'm going to use my mouse, hover over both of them, let go of the left mouse button. So those two files are selected now, and I'm going to click on this add files to archive. I'm going to add both files to my new compressed file. Okay, and compressed file is going to be called rasolutions.rar at the moment, and there's different file formats you can compress your files to. There's a RAR, RAR4, zip. I'm going to change it to zip because that's more common than RAR, I think. But because this file contains files of a confidential, sensitive nature, in the general tab here you will see an option which says set password, and I'm going to set a password. So I'm going to set a password, and that password is going to be, it's a dead easy password. It's password 123. Okay, password 123. Let me just show the password. There we go. And I've just chosen this password for the purpose of this video. So click OK. Now, when I click OK again, what it's going to do, it's going to generate or create this rasolutions.zip file. And that zip file will contain these two files within it. But that zip file will be password protected. So to get access to these two files, you will need the password. So I'm going to click on OK. It's generated the zip file. Let me go back to my files here, and you can see rasolutions.zip is there. When I highlight it, you got an option in Windows. This is Windows 10 I'm using for this, but it's very similar in Windows 11. You can click on compressed folder tools, click on it. This is grayed out, right? Nothing I can do. However, if I double click it, it will open up and remember, when this pop-up comes, just click on close, just ignore it. You will see these two files and you may think, oh, I can access those files. Actually, when I double click on it, that PowerPoint there, it will ask for a password, and I can't do anything. I'll put a random password in, click OK, nothing's gonna happen. Yeah, it's not gonna let me access that file. Even if I try to extract that folder or file in my RA Solutions folder, it's going to ask for a password before it extracts it, unzips that file, showing me those two files. So I can't do anything to these files now unless I know what the password is. So if I put in password 123, click on OK, it's going to open up in a second. My computer's just slightly slower, on the slow side. It's going to open up, and it's opening it up on my second screen actually. What I'll do is I'll show it on the screen. It's opening up my presentation. So this is what it's going to open up if I drag the presentation up. It's going to open up something like this. Let me see if I can drag it across. Something like that. Okay, so that's what it's going to open up. So that's just a very quick and easy video, I'm hoping, showing you how to compress multiple files, how to generate a zip or a RAR file. The most important thing for this video is how to password protect the file. So you can send that file on now to a colleague or colleagues, but they will need the password. So you can send the zip file in one email, you can send the password in another email to really enhance on GDPR, I guess, or to try and mitigate against any unauthorized access. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.